the road to Manabe is well kept. The role of government is really a facilitation type role. So where I see BIDA could possibly help.
It's also important to understand that we want to attract a lot of tourism inward to the country. Facilities as such as us, we need some sort of support as well with regards to various licensing and infrastructure. Where do you see BIDA helping us or institutions like us so that we can encourage more global tourism instead of going outside of the country, but to happen inside?
I have said this before, I don't think government should be in business, but it should be facilitating business. As you know, the government of Bangladesh also has tourist destinations. The role of government is really a facilitation type role. So where I see BIDA could possibly help is getting you the licensing permits. For example, the road to Manabe is well kept, and we ensure that if you do have or we have foreign guests coming in to visit Bangladesh,
Absolutely.
we showcase this as an example of what can be done.
Absolutely.
So overall, I think we have a role to play, definitely, as government of Bangladesh, and BIDA is the vehicle for the investors, and we'll try our best to make it happen.